Have you noticed your check engine light turning on, rough idling, or your car becoming harder to start after refueling? These problems could all point to one small component, the EVAP purge valve. Although it's not a large or expensive part, a failing purge valve can affect your engine's performance, fuel economy, and emissions. In this video, we'll explain what the purge valve does, the 6 most common signs that it's going bad, and what you should do if you suspect it's failed. Let's get started. The purge valve is an important part of your vehicle's EVAP, evaporative emission control, system. Its job is to release stored fuel vapors from the charcoal canister into the engine, where they're burned during combustion instead of escaping into the atmosphere. This process helps reduce harmful emissions while slightly improving fuel efficiency. On most vehicles, the purge valve is located near the top of the engine. It opens when the engine is running and closes when it's shut off, preventing fuel vapors from escaping. Even though it's a simple component, it plays a key role in maintaining proper engine operation. 1. Check engine light appears. The check engine light can illuminate due to various issues, so determining if it's related to the purge valve or the EVAP system requires scanning the onboard computer for error codes. Some codes that might appear include P0441, P0443, P0444, and P0445. You can retrieve these codes by visiting a nearby auto parts store, where free scanning is often available, or by using an affordable OBD2 scan tool. Codes such as P0441, P0442, or P0443 generally indicate an EVAP system problem that should be investigated further. For many drivers, the check engine light is the very first warning sign of a failing purge valve. 2. Engine idles rough. The symptoms can vary depending on how the purge valve fails. If the valve becomes stuck open, it can create a vacuum leak that allows excessive fuel vapors into the intake manifold. This creates a rich air-fuel mixture, causing unstable or rough idling. If the valve becomes stuck closed, the engine may also idle poorly, although for different reasons. Either way, an improperly functioning purge valve can easily lead to an engine that doesn't idle as smoothly as it should. 3. Noticeable loss of engine performance. Just like rough idling, a purge valve stuck open can upset the engine's air-fuel ratio by allowing too much fuel vapor into the combustion chamber. When the mixture becomes too rich, combustion becomes less efficient, reducing engine power. As a result, your vehicle may feel sluggish during acceleration or less responsive while driving. If your car suddenly feels weaker than normal without another obvious cause, the purge valve is worth checking. 4. Hard starting after refueling. This symptom is especially common when the purge valve is stuck open. During refueling, excess fuel vapors can enter the intake manifold through the faulty valve. When you try to start the engine afterward, those extra vapors throw off the air-fuel mixture, making the engine harder to start or causing extended cranking. Since the fuel tank fills with gasoline during refueling, more vapors are produced, and a stuck-open purge valve allows them to enter the engine at the wrong time, sometimes even leading to a no-start condition. 5. Failed emissions inspection. If your vehicle doesn't pass an emissions test, a bad purge valve could be one of the possible causes. Since the purge valve is a key part of the EVAP emission system, a failure can prevent the system from properly controlling fuel vapors. While other issues may also trigger an emissions failure, the purge valve should always be inspected during diagnosis. 6. Reduced fuel economy. The final symptom on our list is a slight drop in fuel economy. Although the EVAP system is primarily designed to reduce emissions, it also helps improve efficiency by sending stored fuel vapors back into the engine to be burned. When the purge valve isn't operating correctly, this process becomes less effective, which may cause a small decrease in your vehicle's gas mileage over time. If you've confirmed that the purge valve is faulty, it's best to fix the problem as soon as possible. A qualified mechanic can verify the diagnosis and replace the valve if needed. However, if you're comfortable working on your own vehicle, replacing a purge valve is often a straightforward DIY repair. Just be sure to install the correct replacement part and follow the recommended repair procedure. After replacement, monitor your vehicle to see if the rough idle, starting issues, fuel economy, and overall performance improve. The cost of replacing a purge valve depends on your vehicle's make and model, labor rates, and whether you perform the repair yourself. Typically, the replacement valve costs between $50 and $150, while labor generally ranges from $50 to $150 or more. In most cases, the total replacement cost falls between $100 and $300. Those are the 6 most common symptoms of a bad purge valve. Catching these warning signs early can help you avoid bigger EVAP system problems and keep your engine running efficiently. If this video helped you better understand the symptoms and what causes them, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to AutoFixCraft, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next automotive repair guide. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.